guys, today we're gonna swap out this old grill for the 2024 grill. I know it's controversial. Everybody thinks it looks like a Renegade, but I actually like it. And I'm hoping it provides more airflow to this 2.0 motor we have. I actually personally do like the 24 grill, so I'm excited to see what it looks like on. Also, there is a few pieces off this that we'll need to pull off to put on the new one. I'll show you how to do that. And also we're doing this because the winch is pretty tight against the grill. We're gonna see how much that opens up that space so we're not rubbing or anything like that. You can see how tight it is, then you see that the wiring just kind of rubs on the paint there. All right guys, let's get this project started. I'm gonna throw the hood back so we have more working space here. Let's get these little push pins out. There's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright guys, so we took out the 6 push pins that hold the top in. Just set those off to the side. We've got all the clips out. Now we just need to pull it out. It's just held in with little clips behind the grill. So let's do that now. Alright, so there's a line of clips that go on the bottom, like one right here and right here. Just pop them out and then it should release. There is a couple pieces up here that we need to reuse for our grill. These little foam pads, they're just held in with a couple push pins and this weather stripping right here. So I popped the little push pins out. Looks like it's just held in with a little 3M tape, so don't be scared to lift it up slowly. Okay guys, so this may be easier when the grill's still on the Jeep, I'm finding out. You're just gonna need your little pry tool, and then we're just gonna pry this weather stripping right off. And it's just a line of them right here. And then same with this, you could still do this while this all is on the front of the Jeep still. All right, so we got the weather stripping off. It's 12 little push pins, as you see here. Now we can reuse it on the new grill. All right, so we grab the new grill. We're gonna get that popped on. Then we'll add the weather stripping and the foam pieces, and it should be good to go. All right, just like the previous grill, it just snaps right into place. Now we'll get the weather stripping and the foam pieces installed and then the push pins, and we should be good. There's a right and wrong way to put this weather stripping back on. So this side's smooth. The front side's gonna have these little ridges. That's gonna face outward. Grab your little foam pieces and we'll get them installed on the corners. Go grab your 6 push pins and we'll get them reinstalled on the top. All right, so we just got the grill installed. We got the foam pieces installed, the weather stripping, and all the little push pins. So I think it's completely installed at this point, so we'll get the hood shut real quick. All right, so we got it all installed. This is what it looks like. So let's look at the after installing the 24 grill, how much room we have here. It opens up this area quite a bit, and then behind it, there's plenty of room for the cables now, not rubbing on anything. And what I can tell is like, it really opens up the front end. Every slot is an air inlet. And then it's definitely a lot shorter. If you guys are deciding to do this to your Jeep, I do highly recommend it. I like the look of it personally, and I like the fact that it's gonna allow a lot more air to hit the radiator. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.